I've wanted to get into freshwater sciences because I've always lived in Milwaukee on Lake Michigan, and I really think that protecting our waterways is super important and crucial to the environment and to human health. I really enjoy the hands-on elements of the School of Freshwater Sciences. With my senior capstone, I got to do sampling in Port Washington, and it was a really good experience. Through my internship at MMSD, I've been really interested in communicating with people and holistically tackling these issues of environmental problems through outreach and engagement. With Engineers Without Borders, we traveled to Guatemala to install a water distribution system in the East Shale Triangle region and help communities get access to clean water. I traveled twice, once to Vukalvits and once to Vivits. I actually was a lead for the project in Vivits and got to see that project from start to finish. It was definitely, I'd say, the proudest accomplishment of my life.